Rosemary leaf is an aromatic herb in the mint family that grows on an evergreen bush. It is most often used in cooking but has a wonderful woodsy scent that is great in air fresheners and aromatherapy mixes. Concentrated extracts like rosemary oil should be used externally, although the dried herb can be taken internally when used in cooking. It is an especially great herb to add to meats, and pairs well with lamb. Some research suggests that it has anti-cancer properties. Rosemary can be infused into an oil and used externally for skin irritations like eczema and joint problems like arthritis. It has also been reported to speed healing of wounds and bruises when used externally. Internally, it is best added to foods as a cooking spice, though a mild tea of rosemary leaf can help fight illness when sipped. A strong infusion of rosemary and nettle leaf is an excellent herbal rinse for hair and can help get rid of dandruff and speed hair growth when used after each washing. Rosemary infused oil is an intensive treatment for bad dandruff of hair loss and can be rubbed on hair, left for at least an hour and washed out. This really improves scalp condition. Rosemary oil can be used externally in times of illness to speed recovery by rubbing on the feet or any areas that are sore. My favorite natural air freshener is to put a small handful of rosemary leaf, 1 sliced lemon or orange, and a splash of vanilla into a saucepan and simmer on low all day. Watch the water levels. It smells amazing and freshens the house for days. Though I haven't tried it, rosemary supposedly deters small pests like mice. Several people have recommended tucking small sprigs of dried rosemary into the backs of cabinets to ward off mice and rats during the winter. Rosemary is also helpful in warding off smaller pests like mosquitoes and is an ingredient in my homemade bug-off bars. Rosemary antioxidant extract is a very effective natural preservative that can extend the shelf life of homemade lotions, cosmetics, or other homemade body products. Used externally, rosemary oil can help soothe the stomach and relieve pain from indigestion, menstrual cramps, or other difficulties. Pregnant women should not use rosemary in large amounts. Cooking is fine, and should avoid the essential oils.